Looking for the best gaming mouse for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming mouse that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a gaming mouse that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming mouse. Number 1 on the list is the Razer Basilisk V3. The Razer Basilisk V3 is the best gaming mouse to hit our lab. It's 9/13 if you include all the scroll wheel inputs, programmable buttons, well-crafted shape and premium, textured finish make it versatile across gaming genres and even productivity workloads. While it's on the heavier side compared to honeycomb-style mice for FPS games, PTFE feet help it glide easily, and a dedicated sniper button is easy to reach and drops DPI instantly for headshots. Customization options abound, from the 11 individual RGB zones to the aforementioned buttons. Each button can also have a secondary function when using Hypershift. The Basilisk V3 is also unique in its scroll wheel's ability to swap from a tactile to smooth, free scroll at the tap of a button or based on how you flick it. However, that does mean that the wheel can sound rattly and is particularly noisy when switching modes. It can also wobble when shifting side to side aggressively. The Razer Detheater V2 is a worthy, simpler alternative if you don't need that much programmability. But the Basilisk V3 earned our Editor's Choice Award with its advanced feature set, build and customization options. Second on the list is Logitech G500 II Lightspeed, a lighter and wireless version of the popular Logitech G500 II Hero. The wireless Logitech G500 II Lightspeed is a fantastic weapon for your arsenal if you can stomach the price tag. With premium features like 6 additional weights, 2 4g ones and 4 2g ones for customizing the mouse's feel, the G500 II Lightspeed starts earning your investment. With Logitech's high DPI and power-efficient Hero sensor and an ample number of programmable buttons, the G500 II Lightspeed is fit for any gaming genre. Its shape is familiar and comfortable, crafted in first-person shooter style. When you can't risk a wireless connection, the G500 II Lightspeed also comes with a reliable cable. In addition to connecting to your PC with a wireless dongle, you can make it so you never have to connect the G500 II Lightspeed to a cable at all, not even for charging. With the Logitech G Powerplay wireless charging mousepad, the mouse is always charged as long as the pad is plugged into a USB port. Sadly, the mousepad takes away the ability to use either of the G500 II Lightspeed's 4g weights and is currently $120. If you'd like a mouse that can charge wirelessly with a broader variety of mousepads and more, consider kite charging mice like the Corsair Catter Pro Xt. Number 3 on the list is Razer Detheater V2 Pro. The best wireless gaming mouse for most is the Razer Detheater V2 Pro. It takes the popular and accessible shape of the wired Razer Detheater V2 and cuts the cord without cutting performance. With a 2.4 GHz USB-A dongle using Razer's Hyperspeed technology, gaming performance proved to be on par with the mouse's wired alternative. The Detheater V2 Pro uses Razer's most advanced optical sensor, which excels in gaming, even at high DPI settings. In addition, dual sensitivity buttons help with on-the-fly adjustments. Meanwhile, the left and right click buttons' mechanical optical switches can be divisive, especially for those who like the feel of tactile mechanical switches, but we didn't suffer any misclicks. The Detheater V2 Pro does face some stiff competition, especially considering its hefty $130 MSRP, although it's sometimes in sale for around $120. For example, you can currently find the Logitech G700 III Lightspeed for $64. And if you're willing to go over $100, there are other premium cable-free gaming mice to consider, like the Razer Basilisk Ultimate and Logitech G500 II Lightspeed mice listed on this page. But for a wireless gaming mouse that gets down to business without the fuss and extra features, the Detheater V2 Pro is top of the line. For more wireless mice recommendations, including for productivity, check out our best wireless mouse roundup. Number 4 on the list is Corsair Catter Pro Xt. If you want a well-spec'd, comfortable gaming mouse at an affordable price, the Corsair Catter Pro Xt is the best gaming mouse for you. At just 2.68 ounces, this lightweight mouse is excellent for long gaming sessions and is quickly adjustable. It's a bit low profile, but has a nice, ambidextrous shaped shell that doesn't feel cheap, despite this being a budget mouse. Targeting FPS and mobile players, Corsair's mouse glides easily without cable drag, thanks to PTFE feet and a paracord USB Type-A tether. Speaking of the tether, the wireless version of this mouse, the Corsair Catter Pro Wireless, can be found for slightly more, if not on sale, for the same price as this wired version. So that's worth considering. And if you're after the lightest mouse, something with a honeycomb shell, like the glorious mice on this page, save more weight. The Catter Pro Xt isn't the flashiest or most unique mouse out there, but will make a reliable gaming companion. Number 5 on the list is glorious Model D. If you're an FPS gamer, a lightweight mouse can really elevate your experience, making you never want to go back to a normal mouse again. The glorious Model D, available here for $50 or at Micro Center, is the best gaming mouse for FPS titles because of its light weight of just 2.15 ounces and comfortable shape that'll fit righties with a palm or claw grip, as well as smaller hands. Glorious's Model D is an exceptional example of the honeycomb-style mouse we've seen more of lately. If you can deal with the questionable Glorious branding, you get a mouse that's easy to push and glides nearly effortlessly on its high-quality PTFE feet. If you want something that's more ambidextrous, the HK Gaming Mira M or Glorious Model O, also on this page, may be better fits. But for a premium mouse that can help change the way you play, the Model D is an A+ choice. Oh, and if you're worried about keeping it clean or working with all those holes, see what Glorious CEO Shazam Mohammed told us about that. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming mouse that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.